output blocks. In the last video, we went over all of the program blocks that make Edison move. In this video, we will take a look at all of Edison's output blocks, which can be used to power its lights, play sound, and send messages. Also take a look at the output blocks worksheet. Edison's output blocks can be found in the menu section Outputs. There are 10 blocks in there in total, however 8 of the blocks can be configured into different modes. Together with these extra settings, there are 57 different output options. Let's go over them one by one. Occasionally I will also create demonstrative programs to show how these blocks work. First, let's take a look at the block controlling Edison's LEDs, which can be configured to 6 different modes. Turn both LEDs on. This command will turn on both of Edison's LEDs. The lamps will be lit until the end of the program, or if they are switched off with another command. Turn right LED on. This command will turn on the right LED, but won't turn off the left one if it already is active. Turn left LED on. This command will turn on the left LED, but won't turn off the right one if it already is active. Turn both LEDs off. This command will turn off both of Edison's LEDs. Turn right LED off. This command will turn off the right LED, but won't turn on the left one. Turn left LED off. This command will turn off the left LED, but won't turn on the right one. I made a program where I use all of the blocks related to LEDs. Uploading, testing. Now, it's time to take a look at the blocks that make sound. If the sole purpose is just to be noticed, then it's the easiest option to use the beep block. Beep. The robot will sound a single beep that lasts for 0.5 seconds. There are 7 different program blocks related with notes. When making music for Edison, it's possible to use notes ranging from small b to big C. First, we need to select a block that determines the length of the note and then set it to the desired note. Let's start from whole notes. I put all of them here in a row. Let's hear it. Let's continue with half notes. Now on to quarter notes. And last, 8 notes. Pauses have their own separate blocks, which can be set to length just like notes. To play the next note as sharp, there's a separate block that has to be placed before the note that you have wished to be sharp. To change the tempo of the music, there's a metronome block, which can be used to set 3 different tempos. Changing the tempo works just like changing the driving speed. The block has to be placed at the very beginning, and the tempo will stay at the selected value until it is changed again or the program ends. By default, tempo is set to medium. The last block is send an infrared message, which can be used for communication between 2 Edisons. 6 different messages can be sent. The message only forwards the identifier, that is the color of the message, and what the receiving Edison will do upon receiving the message is completely dependent on the program of the receiving Edison. The message is sent to all nearby Edisons that have a receiving program. The receiving Edison must have a wait block waiting for the message or an start event block with the message in order for the communication to work. I wrote the program for the transmitting Edison, which sends a different colored message depending on the input. The inputs are 1 clap, 2 claps, pressing the triangle button, and pressing the round button. The receiving Edison reacts with 1, 2, 3 or 4 beeps accordingly. Now it's your turn. Complete the challenge on the screen and see you in the next video. Challenge. Go to EdBlocksApp.com, open the menu section Outputs and create a program that uses LEDs, beeps and notes. Have you already memorized all of the output blocks?